We are off to Adelaide today, so leave. He nearly dropped the jockey wheel on my toe, but that's okay. Heading to Adelaide, super excited for that. So we've been in Murray Bridge the last couple of days. Had a pretty hectic night last night.
Yeah, we did.
2 sick kids in the caravan is not fun, so a bit tired today. And now Josh has it, so anyway, moving forward, it's going to be fine. These things happen. Yeah, going to see Cody, our amazing team member, so super excited for that. Where are we going?
Going to the beach.
Woo!
Do you reckon Mondays look a bit different now, Elise?
Oh, hell yes.
What would we have been doing on a Monday?
What's the time? 1:20. Organising lunch for the kids, I would have been. And just probably watching Netflix or something unfulfilling for me.
I'd be ripping a bathroom.
Washing. The same old shit, really.
Ripping a bathroom out of oil, but. What you having, buddy? What do you got?
Dinner.
What's there on the plate?
Chicken and broccoli and corn. And my nuggets are nearly ready.
Your nuggets are nearly ready. Good boy. Love you.
Is this better than working, Cody?
Oh, just slightly. Oh, it's amazing.
Good lifestyle, isn't it?
Here, 9-10 months ago, I would have been at a building site.
Hell yeah.
And now I'm having lunch with my mentors who are travelling around Australia.
Boom!
Boom!
So we have had an amazing couple of days. We spent today with our team member Cody Fry, who has been able to quit his job as a tradie and is now working full-time online with us. So it's absolutely incredible to be able to meet up with him in person in his hometown, and we have decided to stay another week here so we can continue to mastermind, create content, take some photos and create training for all the new team members that we bring into this amazing online business. Where are we going?
To the water park.
The water park. Woohoo! This is gonna be fun. Bit of an afternoon stroll. Josh said he's gonna go get. What are you gonna go get? Your snorkel or your fishing stuff?
No.
Oh.
I'm going fishing. I'm going to get a surf rod and whiting for dinner.
Whiting for dinner. So today the boys are off to get haircuts. I got mine done yesterday. I got it coloured, cut, straightened. I'm feeling fresh and fabulous, ready to take on the day. And we have our amazing team member Cody Fry coming down again to make some content, some videos, smash out some training for the team and work on the business. So it's going to be an awesome day. happening here, Riley?
I'm just gonna come up like that.
You're fixing your bike. Your scooter.
Now I'm not gonna how I'm gonna fix this and get sauce.
Oh.
How?
What was wrong with it?
I tightened it up first. This one's going flat.
It's going flat.
Yes.
Oh. Thanks for watching our latest episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to never miss out on an episode. Thanks again.
Go to the Skittle and put them and get them all Skittles for me. And get them all out the packet and get them in.
What are you
I'm
doing?
gonna eat them.
Talking about his Skittles?
Skittles.
Skittles. Do you love Skittles?
Do.
Is that your favourite lolly?
The mistake though.
Oh. How many do you have left?
The two
Oh, lovely. Just what they wanted to see, I'm sure.